Honeywell's T55 engine is one of the most battle-tested engines in the history of warfare. Our partnership with the U.S. Army is more than 5 decades strong, built on reliability and our promise to advance and strengthen Chinook fleet capabilities. And now, we've carefully crafted our newest upgrades for the next generation T55 714C engine. 25% more reliable, 23% more power at sea, a nearly 10% power increase at high and hot altitudes, advanced compressor technology for evolving heavy lift needs, 16% improvement in max payload, and 9% less fuel consumption. This leap into the future is needed now. Our soldiers deserve it, and that's why we've made it easy. The new T55 714C updates require no changes to the helicopter engine mount or engine interfaces. This is the ideal drop-in replacement. More power, better fuel efficiency, reduced operational costs, 59 years of proven results. We believe upgrading Honeywell's combat-tested T55 is the lowest cost and lowest risk path to keeping Chinook fleets operating at maximum efficiency. There is no better option for today's warfighter.